So the next objective is archive, compress, unpack, and uncompress files using tar, star, gzip, and bzip2. So this video is going to be a two-part video just because we have a lot to cover. So tar could be used to backup, compress, and transfer files folders easily. With tar, we can archive as well as compress. And to use tar efficiently, we just need to learn a few flags. So let's say we have a folder full of files and that we want to archive this folder. We would use tar, open flag, and then C for create, V to see the progression of the archive, and then F to be able to name the archive file. And then we would just give it a name, so tar, and then tell it which folder we want to archive. So there we go, files.tar. Now, with the same command, we can use the bzip2 compression just by adding a J flag. So tar J CVF, so J for bzip2 compression, C for create, V to see the progression, and then, sorry, not progression, to the process, and then F to name the file. So, and then files.tar.bzip2, or let's just do bzip2 and then the folder, and there we go. We've got the bzip2 extension. Again, you've noticed I've added the bzip2 extension to the file. That's actually not needed. It's just good practice to help other system admins know what file we used. So now let's say we wanted to use the gzip compression on the folder. So all we would have to do is add the Z flag into the same command. So tar -z cvf and then files.tar.gz and then give it the folder. And there we go, we've got the gz extension compression here. Again, we don't need to add that extension, it's just good practice. So similar to using the C flag to create compression, we can use the X flag instead to decompress or uncompress the files. So let me just remove. And now let's say we wanted to uncompress the standard tar compression file. We would use tar xvf and then files.tar. And there we go. We've uncompressed the files. Remove that. Now again, if you wanted to uncompress the gzip file, sorry, the bzip2 file, we would use the Z flag. So tar sorry, not the Z flag, the J flag for bzip2. So J xvf files.tar.bzip2, and there we go. And then if we wanted to uncompress the gzip, we would use the Z flag. So tar Z xvf and then files.tar.gz, and there we go again. That. Okay. Now, lastly, if we wanted to give the folder a new name when we uncompressed the file, we would use the capital C flag. So tar flag zvf and then files.tar, and then we would use another flag with the capital C, and then we would call it, let's say, temp. Not temp, sorry. Temp. There we go. So now we've uncompressed the files tar into the temp folder. And simple as that. Be sure to like and subscribe, and the new video will be up tomorrow. Thank you.